In this lesson now, we want to look at that practice exercise. So if you want to learn more about what we are practicing on, you have to have watched our previous lesson. So practice exercise 3. Iri kuti chi, do the following. What is the value of the highlighted digit? Saka tichaita A to G, then we go to number 2. Saka pa A panapa 452. Andidi like this. But tikatarisa tinoona kuti 5 uyu ndiye ari highlighted. Ari under chi, units, tens, hundreds. Saka ra under tens. Kureva kuti to be 5 times chi times 10. The value of 5 in Gary 50. Like that. Then B 738. 3 ndiye ari highlighted. 3 are under chi. 3 anenge ari under units, tens, hundreds. 3 are under tens. So it's 3 times 10. The value of 3 is 30. Andika? Tikaenda pa C 170, but iri highlighted in this 0. Units, tens, hundreds. Saka iri under chi units. So it will be 0 times 1. Answer yedu ndi 0. So the value of 0 remains 0. Tikaenda pa D 620 asiri highlighted in the 6. 6e we can all see kuti ingera under hundreds. So 6 times 100. The value of 6 ingeri 600. Andika? E ichi 456,379 units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, like that. 6 iri under thousands, so it's 6 times 1,000. The value of 6 in Gerichi 6,000. That's E for you. Then tikaenda pa F. Pa F pane 123 540 like this. Iri highlighted in the 2 unoyu. Anenge ari under chi 10,000s. So 2 times 10,000. The value of 2 ndi 20,000. Like that. Then from F takaenda chi pa G. G it's 710,624. 4 ndo iri highlighted iri under units. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. The value of 4 ndi 4. Like that. So ndo maitiro atinozviita. Tinofanirwa kuappreciate, tofanirwa kuziva place value neabacus. Tikaziva izvozvo, then tichamultiply number yatiri kutsvaga its value by the place it is under. Like example panapa 6 are under thousands. That's why it at 6 times 1,000. 2 are under 10,000s. That's why it at 2 times 10,000. 4 are under units. That's why it at 4 times a unit, cannot 4 times 1. Kuti tiwane 4. Now let us go to number 2. Number 2 yakati chi. What is the place value of the highlighted digits? Saka mofanirwa kuunderstanda ma questions aya. Number 1 yakati what is the value of the highlighted digits? So we are not interested in the value of the highlighted digits. We are rather interested in the place value in number 2. Saka for 1 it's 987. I think they forgot to highlight something banap. 456. Let us highlight 5. So it's units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Saka 5 are highlighted and under tens. So our answer will be tens. Like that. Saka kana vakafunza place value nekufunza value zvakasiyana. Know the difference. Vakafunza value vanenge vachida kuti multiply number yacho ne place yairi under. Vakafunza place value vanoda kuti mungotiudza kuti iri under tens here, iri under units here, 10,000s here and stuff. Saka patina 259,324. Iri highlighted in the 2. we can also see kuti randa tens. Handiti. Then tikaenda pa C, 763,849 iri highlighted panapa ndi 8, tiri kuzviona kuti iri under hundreds. Then lastly, 831,652 iri highlighted ndi 3, yatiri kuona kuti iri under 10,000s kana kuti tens of thousands, however you put it. Saka ndo zvanga zvichingovhunzwa apa. So this is our practice question. In our next lesson, as you can see panapa, we are going to look at expanded notation.